Hello, this is Bo Kauffmann of Remax in Winnipeg with your real estate news for Saturday, May 6th, 2023. And today is National Homebrew Day and International No Diet Day. As a home buyer, do you know the difference between being a customer and being a client? If you're going to open houses or calling different agents asking them to show you their listings, you are a customer. That agent you're speaking with is required by law to do his or her best for the home seller. As such, the agent only owes you honest answers to direct questions. The agent is actually required to tell their home seller any information they learn about you. However, if you're working with your own home buyer agent, you are now, again by law, considered a client. Your agent owes you certain responsibilities and duties, such as protecting your privacy and financial interest. Here's the kicker: there's no monetary cost to moving from being a customer to becoming a client. So are you thinking of buying a house or a condo? Call me right now to set up a free home buyer consultation, either in person or via Zoom. That's Bo with Remax at 204-333-2202. Did you know that Winnipeg's Real Estate Podcast is available as an app for your iOS or Android phone? Also, you can add us to your Alexa daily routine. All that is simple by going to bonos.homes/apps. bonos.homes/apps. Thank you. Till next time. Bye-bye.